While Infosys results is a beat on most counts, and in fact the company has resumed the annual guidance, which is a positive surprise. In an environment which was hit on account of COVID, Infosys has surely delivered good results. In terms of the annual guidance, the management has guided for a revenue growth of 0 to 2% in constant currency terms, and also operating margin for FY21 is seen in the range of 21 to 23%. In terms of the results, it was a beat on the profitability, on the margins, but dollar revenue growth was fairly in line with ET poll estimates. In terms of the dollar revenue growth, it was down nearly around 2.4% QOQ, with dollar revenues at $31.21 million. Constant currency revenue degrew by 2% quarter on quarter. ET poll was estimating a degrowth of nearly around 3.8% in constant currency terms. The EBIT margin expanded significantly by 150 bips QOQ versus our expectation of a degrowth there. EBIT margin came in at 22.7%, and management did mention that work on the strategic cost levers as well as rupee depreciation did help the overall EBIT margin. We're also seeing that the profit came in at 4233 crore, down nearly around 2% quarter on quarter. It was again a beat in terms of the profitability. Digital revenues, which now stand at nearly around 45% of the total revenues, grew by nearly around 25% YOY in constant currency terms, and management is fairly confident about revenues in this segment. In terms of the other highlights, yes, a very good, healthy deal win there. Deal wins were to the extent of $1.74 billion. These were the large deals, and management also mentioned that they have gone ahead and won 5 deals in the BFSI space. Do know that BFSI space has been fairly resilient again for many of the top IT companies, but this space needs to be watched out for. Free cash flow stood at $728 million, and management did mention that collections were robust and capex was focused, which led to a 50% YOY growth in terms of the free cash flow. In terms of the vertical wise revenue, we are seeing that North America reported a flat growth there. Europe grew by 4.4% YOY in constant currency terms. Again, in terms of revenue, vertical wise, financial services, which forms nearly around 30% of the total revenue, grew by 2.1% YOY in constant currency term. High-tech vertical also grew nearly around 13.4% YOY in constant currency term. And do know that the high-tech vertical forms nearly around 8 to 9% of the overall revenue mix. Retail, as expected, did degrow by 7.4%. We're also seeing some amount of pressure in terms of the communication vertical, down 0.7%, energy vertical down 0.2%. CEO, however, said, "Our confidence and visibility for the rest of the year is improving, driven by our Q1 performance and large deal wins." However, he also mentioned that they are fairly conscious in terms of global uncertainties. Management also mentioned that in terms of the deal pipeline, they feel that is okay, and they are seeing nice expansion on deal pipeline in cloud automation, workplace transformation, cybersecurity, consolidation, and also they do see some amount of challenges in terms of the global uncertainties. Management also mentioned that they have won 5 large deals in the BFSI space itself. All in all, a very good quarter coming in from Infosys. The fact that they have resumed the annual guidance is definitely positive, and in fact, if you look at Wipro results as well as TCS, they were quite assuring, and no doubt we did see a good amount of jump in terms of the stock price of Infosys. In today's trade, we possibly may see some amount of positive traction continuing on Infosys as well.